Usambut Menteri Rangba Ubadeiru Chairman ke West Giant Hills Regional Committee ubak singa balang thar ha ka arpuwetrik yayong ulo ong baka jingakren ya penben halor ki kam ya ka japut bat ka asam kan beteng biang hadien bala thau sorkar tmai ha ka jela marjan ka jingakren bat ka asam ka de ka kam ka bayai beteng tungin ya am hadien bala thau sorkar tmai ha asam in sa beteng biang ya ka jingakren kata kalong ke basyai ong ubak singa balang habakren syakilat thai ke buar ulo ong baka jingakren ke babut kan syong hak asam bakan thung ya ka regional committee kumba kalong menta ngimtip manubandong chairman na kaliang ke jongki namar 4 thau ya ka sorkar thamai tat hadien bagila thau ya ka sorkar thamai kinsa thung ya ka regional committee kinsa shim ya ka rai hashwa bangin sa yakindu biang laong ha bakali laki nikiman on la ban penbait hashwa jong election assembly ha Meghalaya house nam arja arupra ubak singa bhalang ula ong bakam dan satya kanu kanu ko jingbu por em barabor ngila persang ban penbait ya kan kam namar ka deka kam badan benta da baro ki arjala ngila persang ban penbait kam kloy ya ki jing Henry kam de satya ka kam ka basuk ula ong ngamla ban ong la ngila ne ban penbait hapo ka arsnam la ne haki ar banai Henry ngila yai persang ya ka babhatam ban la ban penbait no kam kloy ya kan kam ula benram
No, you see, this dialogue with other counterpart is a continuous process. So let us wait when the new government form in Assam again will continue the discussion with them. That is very clear. And now we didn't know who is the chairman from their side. And now new government is yet to form. Only then when they form and we will form the regional committee or this and that. So then we'll take a call with them. We'll meet again.
Do you think that within 2 years, before the Assam Meghalaya elections, we will be able to resolve the second phase?
No, we are trying to resolve always. So, you see, because it linked both the states, so we are trying our best to resolve other ideas, but it's not so easy. I cannot say you will solve it within 2 years or within 2 months. So we always try our best.